In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see seat view on Ticketmaster, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up the interactive map, choose a spot, and preview what you'll see from that seat so you can buy with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Ticketmaster website. If you're prompted to confirm your location, pick the country where the event takes place so you get the right venues and pricing. This helps make sure the map and inventory you see are accurate for your area. Use the search bar at the top to find your event. You can type an artist, team, show title, or even a venue name and date. If there are multiple dates or cities, scan the results carefully and choose the one that matches your plan. It's worth checking the event status here too. Some maps won't fully open until tickets are on sale, so if you see a pre-sale or more info message, that's normal. Once you spot the right listing, click into the event page. This page is your hub for pricing, availability, and the seat map. Give it a second to load and look for the map area. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or wait for the assets to finish loading, especially during busy on-sale times. To view the seating layout, click the interactive seat map button. This opens the map in a mode where you can zoom in, pan around the venue, and filter what's shown. On desktop, use your mouse wheel to zoom and click drag to move. On mobile, pinch to zoom and drag with your finger. If filters are available, you can narrow by price range, ticket type, or quantity to avoid rows that don't meet your needs. Now select a seat. Start by clicking a section to see its rows, then drill down to individual seats if the event supports precise selection. When you click a specific seat or row, look for a seat view preview. Depending on the venue, you might see a photo, a 3D rendering, or a view from seat thumbnail that shows the angle to the stage or field. If a full seat view isn't available, you'll often get a section level perspective, which still helps you judge distance, elevation, and sight lines. Keep an eye out for notes like partial or obstructed view and check the row number to gauge how close you'll be. If the map seems slow, refresh the page, try another browser, or wait a moment. High demand events can cause delays. That's it. Open Ticketmaster, search your event, enter the event page, launch the interactive seat map, and pick a seat to preview the view so you can choose the best spot for your experience.